Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, feel the sunshine, feel the ocean breeze. This is our endless summer love. Sun is shining on the sea, just like the day you came to me. Golden skies and crystal blue, every dream begins with you. Walking barefoot on the sand, tightly to your hand. The world feels perfect from above, wrapped inside our summer love. Every wave that meets the shore makes me love you even more. Every sunset paints the sky like a promise you and I. Endless summer love, burning like the sun above. Endless summer love, a blessing sent from up above. Through every season, every day, our hearts will never drift away. Endless summer love, forever you and me. Palm trees swaying with the breeze, whispering through the coconut trees. The reggae rhythm softly plays, guiding us through golden days. The moon appears as daylight fades, creating memories we've made. Every kiss beneath the stars reminds me who we are. Endless summer love, burning like the sun above. Endless summer love, a blessing sent from up above. Through every season, every day, our hearts will never drift away. Endless summer love, forever you and me. The ocean sings tonight, everything feels right. The stars shine from above upon our endless love. Many people spend their lives searching for paradise, looking for a love so true, the kind I found in you. Every sunrise by the sea brings new joy and harmony. Every heartbeat softly proves our love forever moves. Endless summer love, burning like the sun above. Endless summer love, a blessing sent from up above. Through every season, every day, our but you'll still be by my side. Like the waves return to shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. When the storms begin to rise, I'll still see sunshine in your eyes. Together we can face it all, standing strong and standing tall. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and laugh someday about the sunsets that we share and all the ways we care. Sitting beside the ocean blue, still completely loving you. The waves will softly sing about the joy true love can bring. Endless summer love, burning like the sun above. Endless summer love, a blessing sent from up above. Through every season, every day, our hearts will never drift away. Endless summer love, forever you and me. Endless summer love, forever shining bright. Endless summer love, guiding us through the night. As endless as the sea. Endless summer love, for all eternity. The waves keep rolling, the sun keeps shining, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, endless summer love. Oh baby, feel the sunshine, feel the ocean breeze. This is our endless summer love. The sun is shining on the sea, just like the day you came to me. Golden skies and crystal blue, every dream begins with you. Oh baby, yeah. Some things never change, some hearts never drift apart. Together through time, forever you and I. The sun was rising over the sea the day you first smiled at me. Golden skies and ocean blue, that's when my heart belonged to you. The waves rolled gently to the shore, and I knew I'd found something more. A love so strong, a love so true, a lifetime waiting for me and you. The years may come, years may go, but one thing I will always know: no matter what life leaves behind, we'll stay together through time. Together through time, through every season of life. Together through time, through joy and sacrifice. When the world keeps changing, your love remains my life. Together through time, forever side by side. Moonlight dancing on the sea, creating perfect harmony. The reggae music softly played, while beautiful memories were made. Walking barefoot on the sand, dreaming hand in hand. The stars above seem to agree, you were always meant for me. Together through looking for a love that's real, a love their heart can truly feel. I found mine beneath island skies, reflected in your beautiful eyes. A treasure worth more than gold, a story forever told. Remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and look back someday at every dream we chased together. Eternity. The waves keep rolling, the stars keep glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, together through time. Together through time, forever and ever. Forever and ever. Together through time. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. From the first day I saw you, I knew you were different. My Caribbean queen. The sun was shining on the sea the day you smiled and looked at me. Golden sand beneath our feet, and suddenly life felt complete. The ocean breeze moved through your hair, like heaven had placed an angel there. Your beauty lit the evening sky, brighter than the moon on high. Every heartbeat sings your name, starts to play, and we dance the night away. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, while love flows naturally. The stars above shine bright tonight. Everything feels so right. Every touch, every kiss feels like endless bliss. Caribbean queen, the most beautiful I've ever seen. Caribbean queen, you're the woman of my dreams. Like sunshine on the sea, you bring life to me. Caribbean queen, forever you'll be my queen. Oh, the ocean sings your name. My heart burns like a flame. The moon shines from above, blessing us with love. Many people search for years through happiness and tears, looking for a love so true, the kind I found in you. Every sunrise by the shore makes me love you even more. Every memory we create feels like a gift from fate. Caribbean queen, the most beautiful I've ever seen. Caribbean queen, you're the woman of my dreams. Like sunshine on the sea, you bring life to me. Caribbean queen, forever you'll be my queen. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa. The years may come and seasons change, but our love remains the same. Like the waves return each day, my heart will never drift away. When storms appear across the sky, we'll keep reaching for the light. Hand in hand we'll face it all, standing strong and standing tall. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and laugh someday about the dreams we made come true. And all the years I spent with you, sitting beside the ocean blue, still completely loving you. And the waves will softly sing about my beautiful queen. Caribbean queen, Caribbean queen, the most beautiful I've ever seen. Caribbean queen, you're the woman of my dreams. Like sunshine on the sea, you bring life to me. Oh, Caribbean queen, forever you'll be my queen. Caribbean queen, forever shining bright. Caribbean queen, A gentle breeze touched the shore, and I knew I'd never be the same anymore. Your eyes shine brighter than the sky, like stars that never say goodbye. One simple touch, one loving glance, and suddenly life became romance. Every dream I ever knew leads me back to you. Every road I've traveled through brings me closer to you. My heart belongs to you, now and forever. My heart belongs to you. We'll always be together through every storm and every tide. I'll keep you by my side. My heart belongs to you. My love is true. Feels like forever. We're just one kiss away. The sunset paints the ocean gold, a beautiful story waiting to unfold. The island breeze calls out your name, and my heart burns with a gentle flame. Standing with you by the sea feels like pure destiny. Every smile you send my way takes my breath away. The stars begin to light the sky, the moon is slowly rising high. The moment feels so perfect now. I don't know when or how. We're one kiss away from forever tonight. One kiss away, everything feels right. The ocean sings our song where our hearts belong. We're one kiss away from a love so strong. The reggae rhythm softly plays, taking us through golden days. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, moving naturally. Your eyes shine brighter than the moon, and my heart begins to bloom. Every second standing near makes everything crystal clear. We're one kiss away from forever tonight. One kiss away, everything feels right. The ocean sings our song where our hearts belong. We're one kiss away from a love so strong. The stars are shining bright, blessing us tonight. The ocean knows it's true, I'm falling for you. Many people search for years through happiness and tears, looking for a love so true, the kind I found in you. Every wave beneath the shore makes me love you even more. Every heartbeat seems to say we're only one kiss away. We're one kiss away from forever tonight. One kiss away, everything feels right. The ocean sings our song where our hearts belong. We're one kiss away from a love so strong. The years may come and seasons change, but our love remains the same. Like the tide returns each day, my heart will never drift away. When dark clouds fill the sky, you'll still be my reason why. Hand in hand we'll face it all, standing strong and standing tall. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stop shining bright, ocean blue, still completely loving you. And the waves will softly say they were only one kiss away. One kiss away from forever tonight. One kiss away. One kiss away. Everything feels right. The ocean sings our song, where our hearts belong. We're one kiss away from a love so strong. One kiss away, forever side by side. One kiss away, my joy and pride. One kiss away is endless as the sea. One kiss away for all eternity. The waves keep rolling, the moon keeps glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, one kiss away, forever and ever. One kiss away.
Oh baby, the moon is shining, the music is playing. Tonight is our night, lovers rock tonight. The sun has disappeared from sight, giving way to the island night. The stars begin to softly glow, and the ocean moves nice and slow. The sound system starts to play, taking all our cares away. Your hand fits perfectly in mine, like destiny by design. The moonlight shines upon your face, filling the night with beauty and grace. The rhythm feels so smooth and right. We're dancing, lovers rock tonight. Lovers rock tonight, holding you so tight. Lovers rock tonight, everything feels right. The music fills the air, love is everywhere. Lovers rock tonight, beyond compare. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, moving gently with such ease. The bass line rolls across the sand, uniting hearts throughout the land. Your smile lights up the night for me, brighter than the stars I see. Every touch, every embrace makes my heart begin to race. Lovers rock tonight, holding you so tight. Lovers rock tonight, everything feels right. The music fills the air, love is everywhere. Lovers rock tonight, beyond compare. The ocean sings our song, where our hearts belong. The moon shines from above, blessing us with love. Many people dream of nights filled with love and shining lights, a moment where the world stands still and every dream becomes real. Here beneath the tropical sky, time seems to drift slowly by. Every heartbeat feels brand new, because I'm sharing it with you. Lovers rock tonight, holding you so tight.
may come and years may go, but one thing we will always know: the memories we make tonight will keep our hearts burning bright. When storms arrive and skies turn gray, this love will never fade away. Hand in hand we'll face it all, standing strong and standing tall. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and laugh someday about the nights beneath the moon and how the music played our tune. Sitting by the ocean blue, still completely loving you, and the waves will softly say, love found a way. Lovers rock tonight, holding you so tight. Lovers rock tonight, everything feels right. The music fills the air, love is everywhere. Lovers rock tonight, beyond compare. Lovers rock tonight, forever side by side. Lovers rock tonight, my joy and pride. Lovers rock tonight, as endless as the sea. Lovers rock tonight, for all eternity. Ooh, the waves keep rolling, the moon keeps glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, lovers rock tonight. Lovers rock tonight, forever and ever. Lovers rock tonight. Oh, baby, yeah, yeah. Close your eyes, listen to the waves. Welcome to my beautiful
stars are shining bright, blessing us tonight. The ocean sings along to our endless song. Many people search for peace, looking for a sweet release, a place where worries fade away and brighter comes each day. I found mine beside the sea, where love flows naturally, a paradise I've always known, a place I call my own. Beautiful island dream, nothing is quite what it seems. Beautiful island dream, flowing like a gentle stream, where the ocean meets the sky and happiness never says goodbye. Oh, beautiful island dream, you're my everything. The years may come and years may go, but this feeling will always grow. Like the tide that meets the shore, I'll keep dreaming more and more. When dark clouds hide the sun, I'll remember this special one, a dream that's always shining bright, guiding me through the night. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you, yeah. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and look back someday at every sunset, every shore, and all the moments we live for. Sitting beside the ocean blue, still completely loving you, and the waves will softly sing about our island dream. Whoa, beautiful island dream, nothing is quite what it seems. Beautiful island dream, flowing like a gentle stream, where the ocean meets the sky and happiness never says goodbye. Oh, beautiful island dream, you're my everything. Beautiful island dream, forever shining bright. Beautiful island dream, guiding us through the night. Beautiful island dream, as endless as the sea. Beautiful island dream, for all eternity. The waves keep rolling, the stars keep glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, beautiful island dream. Forever and ever, forever and ever, beautiful island dream. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Close your eyes, listen to the waves. Welcome to my beautiful island dream. The morning sun lights up the sea, a perfect picture in front of me. Golden sands and sky so blue, every dream reminds me of you. The island breeze softly blows, carrying love wherever it goes. Palm trees dancing side by side, watching over the ocean tide. Every sunrise feels brand new, every moment spent with you.
like a vision sent from above. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. The sea is calm tonight. The stars are shining bright. Come sail away with me. We're sailing into love. The sunset melts into the sea, painting a picture for you and me. A gentle breeze fills our sail, carrying us beyond the horizon trail. Your hand is resting close to mine. The moon begins to softly shine. The ocean whispers from below, guiding us where lovers go. Every wave that passes by feels like a dream beneath the sky. No matter where the waters move, there's only one thing I know is true. We're sailing into love across the endless sea. Sailing into love, just you and me. The stars above our guide, with your heart by my side. We're sailing into love for eternity. The reggae rhythm softly plays, carrying us through golden days. The boat glides gently through the tide, while the moonlight dances by our side. The night is warm, the air is sweet, moving slowly to the island beat. Every smile you send my way makes me fall deeper every day. We're sailing into love across the endless sea. Sailing into love, just you and me. The stars above our guide, with your heart by my side. We're sailing into love for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. The ocean sings tonight, everything feels right. The moon shines from above upon our sea of love. Many people search the world for hidden treasures and pearls, but the greatest gift I've found is your love all around. Every sunrise on the sea brings new hope and harmony. Every heartbeat softly proves that true love always moves. We're sailing into love across the endless sea. Sailing into love, oh, just you and me.
till dawn. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and laugh someday about the journeys that we made and every memory that stayed. Sitting on a quiet shore, still loving you more and more in the waves. We'll softly say, love found its way. We're sailing into love across the endless sea. Sailing into love, just you and me. The stars above our guide, with your heart by my side. I was sailing into love for eternity. The waves keep rolling, the stars keep glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, sailing into love, forever and ever, forever and ever. Sailing into love.
Yeah. Oh baby, the moon is rising, the ocean is calling. Tonight belongs to us. Moonlight reggae. The sun has faded from the sky, and the stars begin to shine up high. The waves are dancing on the sea, creating perfect harmony. A gentle breeze moves through the night, everything feels calm and right. The reggae rhythm starts to play, taking all our worries away. The moonlight glows upon your face, surrounding you with beauty and grace. Every heartbeat softly says, let's get lost in moonlight reggae. Moonlight reggae, playing through the night. Moonlight reggae, everything feels right. The ocean sings along to our island song. Moonlight reggae, where our hearts belong. Palm trees swaying side to side, watching over the rolling tide. The bassline flows just like the sea, setting every spirit free. Your smile shines brighter than the moon, and I hope this night never ends too soon. Every touch and every glance feels like a beautiful romance. Moonlight reggae, playing through the night. Moonlight reggae, everything feels right. The ocean sings along to our island song. Moonlight reggae, where our hearts belong. The stars are shining bright, blessing us tonight. The waves keep rolling slow as our love continues to grow. Oh, many people search for peace,
in your beautiful eyes, a paradise so pure and free, waiting beside the sea. Moonlight reggae, playing through the night. Moonlight reggae, everything feels right. The ocean sings along to our island song. Moonlight reggae, where our hearts belong. The years may pass and seasons change, but our love remains the same. Like the tide returns each day, my heart will never drift away. When dark clouds fill the sky, you'll still be my reason why. Hand in hand we'll face it all, standing strong and standing tall. If tomorrow never came, I'd still remember your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still hold you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day when our hair turns gray, we'll smile and laugh someday about the nights beneath the moon and how the music played our tune. Sitting beside the ocean blue, still completely loving you, and the waves will softly say, love found a way. Moonlight reggae, playing through the night. Moonlight reggae, everything feels right. The ocean sings along to our island song. Moonlight reggae, where our hearts belong. Moonlight reggae, forever shining bright. Moonlight reggae, guiding us through the night. Moonlight, as endless as the sea. Moonlight reggae, for all eternity. The waves keep rolling, the moon keeps glowing, the music keeps playing, and our hearts keep saying, moonlight reggae, moonlight reggae, moonlight reggae, forever and ever, forever and ever. Moonlight reggae.
Oh, baby, yeah, yeah. No matter how far apart we are, the ocean may separate us, but love will always find a way. Love across the ocean. The sun is setting on my shore, while you're dreaming on another shore. Miles apart beneath the sky, yet our hearts stay side by side. The waves keep rolling endlessly, carrying your memory to me. Every breeze that touches the sea feels like your arms around me. Though the distance feels so wide, I still feel you by my side. Every star above the ocean blue reminds me of you. Love across the ocean, stronger than the tide. Love across the ocean, light dances on the sea. The same moon shines on you and me. Though we're standing worlds apart, you're still the rhythm in my heart. The reggae music softly plays, helping me through lonely days. Every melody I hear makes me feel you're near. Love across the ocean, stronger than the tide. Love across the ocean, you're always on my mind. No matter where you are, we're connected by the stars. Love across the ocean, forever in my heart. Oh, the ocean knows our names. Oh, and whispers through the waves. Oh, distance cannot break. Oh, the love we made. Many people say it's hard when two hearts are far apart, but our love continues strong, like a never-ending song. Every sunrise brings me hope, helping both of us to cope, knowing someday we'll be free, together by the sea. Love across the ocean, stronger than the tide. Love across the ocean, you're always on my mind. No matter where you are, we're connected by the stars. Love across the ocean, forever in my heart. The years may come and seasons change, but our love remains the same. Like the waves that reach the shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. When loneliness fills the night, your memory becomes my life. Through every mile and every sea, you'll always be with me. If tomorrow never came, I'd still whisper your name. If the music faded away, I'd still hear your heart each day. If the stars stopped shining bright, I'd still love you every night. Forever true, forever you. One day we'll stand face to face, wrapped in one another's embrace. The ocean that kept us apart will witness a brand new start, walking hand in hand once more, together on the sandy shore. And the waves will softly sing about the joy true love can bring. Love across the ocean, stronger than the tide. Love across the ocean, you're always on my mind. No matter where you are, we're connected by the stars. Love across the ocean, forever in my heart.
the ocean. Love across the ocean. Forever and ever. Love across the ocean.